The top traffic source for newly published videos on my channel is Browse Features. What is Browse Features? How do you find the videos from Browse Features? And how do you rank in YouTube Browse Features so you get more views and subscribers? Stay tuned throughout the video to get the answers. Hi, my name is Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. What is Browse Features? This is primarily traffic that comes from your home page, home screen, subscription feed. Home is what viewers see first when they visit youtube.com or open the YouTube app. It's the place where YouTube delivers the most relevant, personalized recommendations for each viewer. It's also a great place where your videos will be found by non-subscribers. What kind of videos are displayed on the home screen? YouTube displays videos from their descriptions, from similar viewers, new videos and more. The selection of videos displayed is based upon two things. Number one, performance. This is how well the video engaged and satisfied similar viewers. Number two, the viewer's search and watch history. This is how often a viewer watches a channel or topic and how many times YouTube has shown a video to that viewer. For example, if I watch a lot of cat videos, YouTube will recommend more cat videos on my home screen. Keep in mind that viewers watch more videos from the subscriptions on their home screen than they do from the subscriptions tab. Here's how to find the traffic for Browse Features on an individual video.
Log into YouTube channel, click on videos, select the video you want to find traffic sources for. I'm going to click on this one, click on analytics. Under real-time activity you can see your top traffic sources in the last 48 hours. In this case, most of my traffic came from notifications and Browse Features. So if I want to dig deeper, I just click on see more, click traffic source, and here you can see I got notifications and Browse Features. Notifications received 313 minutes of watch time, 116 views, and average view duration of 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Browse Features received 272 minutes of watch time, 102 views, 2 minutes and 40 seconds of average view duration, and 3.4% impressions click-through rate. So if I click on Browse Features, you can see that most of the watch time, views, and average view duration came from subscriptions, and the click-through rate was 3.9%.
Let me ask you a question. What is your top traffic source for a newly published video? Post your answers in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Subscriptions are also included in Browse Features. They appear on your home screen and also in the left-hand column on your channel homepage. How do you get more of your videos to rank in Browse Features? Number one, keep doing what works. When you publish a video and see that most of your traffic is coming from Browse Features, make more of those types of videos. YouTube says they'll surface more of what viewers like. So if your previous video attracted a lot of views and subscribers, make more of that type of video. Number two, keep viewers engaged. A couple of top ranking factors of YouTube is audience retention and watch time. So if you can keep viewers engaged longer throughout your video, then your video will do better in the search engines. The longer you keep viewers engaged watching your video, YouTube will surface more of your videos on other people's channels. Another thing you can do to extend the watch time is to make longer videos. So if your previous video got a lot of traffic, make a similar video but make it longer. Make sure that you keep people engaged throughout the video. Number three, create a series of related videos. Since watch time is a big ranking factor on YouTube, if you can get people to watch more of your videos, then YouTube will surface more of your videos on other people's channels. So you can make your video longer, but you could also create a series of short videos and link them to each other. You can do this by putting the videos in a playlist, then linking each video to that playlist. So when viewers watch one video, they'll be inclined to watch more of your videos because they're all related. Number four, upload on a consistent basis. You want to create the expectation for your viewers that they can watch more of your videos on a regular basis. Whether you upload once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week, just make sure it's consistent so your viewers know what to expect. When viewers go to their home screen at youtube.com or on the YouTube app and see more of your videos every week, they'll be more inclined to subscribe and become your biggest fans. YouTube will continue to recommend more of your videos on the home screen. Since subscriptions also appear on the home screen, you want to continue getting more subscribers. Subscribers are viewers who have opted in to see more of your videos. They tend to be your biggest fans because they're interested in your content. When you publish a new video, usually they're the ones that are watching the video first and generate a ton of traffic. They also give you a strong indication whether that video is going to take off and if you should do more videos like that. Just keep in mind that subscribers also see your subscription content on the home screen and in suggested videos. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to control suggested videos. Here are some tips to get more viewers to subscribe to your channel. Number one, ask viewers to subscribe in your videos. Make sure you explain the benefits of why they should subscribe to your channel. Number two, make more of the video content they wish to watch. So if you see a video that's doing well, make more of that type of content. Number 3, make your videos public when you think your viewers will be watching. I usually publish my videos in the early morning so I can get the East Coast crowd when they get up for their morning cup of coffee and the West Coast crowd when they're having lunch. If most of your traffic comes from a different country, then make sure you publish a video when you think they'll be available. Number 5, identify the videos that attract the most subscribers on your channel. You may find that the videos that attract the most subscribers will have a high click-through rate, high average view duration, and high watch time. Make sure you study them so you can repeat the process and get more traffic. Number 6, remind your subscribers to turn on notifications. Remind them to receive all your notifications by ringing the bell icon. Do you want to know my subscriber hack for getting more than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? If that's a yes, watch my next video on how I get over 1,000 subscribers every month on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.